Hi guys, my name is Emilia from Luxlive Property Group. Today I'm excited to show you this lovely property in a sought after area in Savannah Hills Estate in Midrand. Alright, now that we've entered the house, I'm going to show you the downstairs first. To my left, this is a formal dining room. As you can see, it's quite spacious, lots of sunlight coming through. So you can fit like a huge dining room table, as you can see here. And then we're gonna move along to a formal lounge, or rather a TV room. As you can see, it's also spacious. So you can fit the biggest couch here, other sitting areas on the side. And yeah, also lots of sunlight coming through the room as well. And then from here, we're gonna go to the kitchen. Lovely kitchen. As you can see, we have lots and lots of storage, lots of cupboard, nice granite countertops. So this is your grocery cupboard. Then you have space for your, your microwave. And also if you've got a double fridge, it can definitely fit the space. And then as you can see, we have this nice glass stove with your oven and your hob. And then this side, we have your scullery where you can do your laundry. So there's space here for 1, 2, 3 under-carpet appliances. And then there's your double sinks. There's also storage, lots and lots of storage. And then from now on, we are gonna go to the lounge area. This is another sitting area that they've got. Also very nice and spacious. You can fit the biggest couch here. That would be your TV space. Or yeah, also here in the kitchen, we do have this breakfast nook for sitting. And this living area opens up to the patio for entertainment. Let's have a look outside. This is where you can have your sitting chairs, your dining room table as well. They've got, if you can see, they've got, this is braai area. So you can braai here and have your sitting as well this side. Very big yard, as you can see. I think it's big enough to fit a swimming pool. And it goes on and on this side as well. So it's a very nice and spacious yard. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the house and have a look at the rest of the spaces. So this would be your entry area. You can use this door. And then to the left, we've got a guest bathroom for visitors. It's just a toilet there. This side, we've got your guest bedroom. It is quite roomy, and as you can see, also you have access to the balcony or the patio. And then it does come with an ensuite bathroom. It features a shower. It's a big enough shower, a toilet, and you've got your vanity there. Very nice and spacious. And then from there, we go out. Okay, this is basically access to the double garage. So you can use this entrance as well. So this is the end of the down floor area. Now we're gonna move up to the second floor. All right, guys, so this is the upstairs. So here we've got 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So we're gonna start on my left. I'm gonna show you the master bedroom. It's this side. So as you can see, the master bedroom is very, very spacious. As you can see, you can fit your king size bed. There's space for your side tables if you've got. And then this would be the area for the TV. You still have space for your sitting area, as you can see. So yeah, you can do a lot in this bedroom. And also, as you can see, we do have the sliding doors that open up to the balcony. All the areas actually open up to the balcony. So yeah, it's very nice and spacious. So the master bedroom has a walk-in closet. Here's a walk-in closet. As you can see, lots and lots of storage in here. All right, and then next I will show you the ensuite bathroom. It's a full bath. It has a bathtub and a shower. Come on in and see. This is your shower and your toilet this side. You've got your nice bathtub, and also, as you can see, we have dual sinks, which is nice to have. Also, lots and lots of storage in this bedroom. All right, and then next we are going to go to, this is a bathroom for the other bedrooms. This one only features a shower and a toilet. You still have enough storage, as you can see, and we have one sink here, and also it has this cupboard, which is really good for storage, as you can see. So this bathroom is shared by the other bedrooms. This is another bedroom, bedroom number 2. It's also nice and spacious. You have your built-in cupboard there. Also lots and lots of sunlight this side. As you can see, if your kids maybe they can also put like a desk and a chair here to do their homeworks. So there's enough space. And then we're gonna move on to bedroom number 3, this side. Also nice and spacious. It also opens up to the balcony. Lots of sunlight. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cupboards. Is it 5 cupboards this side? So it's also nice and spacious. Moving along, we are going to bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 is this side. All right, there it is. It's also the same as the other one. Very nice, very spacious, lots of cabinets, and you can go out to the balcony this way. And then lastly, we go to this other bathroom. This one only has a bathtub. We also have storage this side and your toilet. So it's very nice and modern, very spacious and comfortable. And every area, like I said, it opens up to this balcony. So there's lots and lots of sunlight coming through the house. So that will be the end of the second floor. All right, just to recap, we've viewed this wonderful property in Savannah Hills Estate. You are actually close to Blue Hills Shopping Center. So you're close to the shops, close to the freeway. So the home features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, multiple living space. As you can see, the yard, spacious yard. Yeah, so please don't forget to call us if you'd like to arrange a viewing. Then we'll be able to assist you. Thank you.